This is Honey, a sweet girl at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. She's a gentle girl. Oh, would like you to have a close-up look at her. Yes, you are beautiful. We don't need to get quite as close. And she's a gentle girl. Is looking for a new home because her owner became ill and couldn't care for her anymore. She loves attention. Yeah, pretty girl. You're very kind, aren't you?